welcome back to the channel. So we're talking about squirrel mode. Yeah, we're on a different project today. So I got real estate investment. So right now I'm trying to get everything cleaned up in this backyard, and then I'll show you guys the front, and then we're gonna do some interior work, potentially do some fun things on the outside because it's some old red brick. Got some fun plans coming. It's a 2-bed, 1-bath, 3-stall garage, good corner lot, but I think I'm gonna add a bedroom and potentially a bathroom. But we're gonna keep pushing through here. Got to get this cleaned up, and let's see what we can get done. So here's the backyard. Looks a lot better. I'm gonna spray over here because they have rock, like river rock. Spray that and see how much actually is there. This property's been sitting for 7 years, so if I can spray that and the river rock comes back, I may just use that for the seating area around this. That's a gas line into that fireplace, so I might put a gas fire pit for the rental. But before it's a rental, it's gonna be my primary residence, so I want it to be nice. Gotta live in it for a year. Get this done. I'm gonna go grab the weed eater, weed eat all this. So going in the front of the house to show you guys what this thing looks like. Sneak peek. Another project on another day. Got to seal the roof. It's the primary camper. Actually, it's the only camper I have, so yeah, primary. But here's the house. It's a 2-bed, 1-bath. I'm gonna make it a 3-bed, 2-bath. Basement is close to being finished. Has all new flooring. I'll jump in there on another video and gotta show you the whole interior. I'm pretty muddy and wet out here today, so I'll leave that to the next video. But my goal with this is the house hack, so live in it for a year, clean it up, make it a really nice property. Only do things to the property that's gonna increase the value and is gonna be a good home for someone. So that's my goal with this. The next thing I'm gonna do is grab the weed eater, clean up this landscaping, and I'm gonna spray. And I think I'll be done for today. If you guys have any questions on any of this, I did construction for like 5 to 7 years. I wouldn't say I'm professional or anything, but I'm gonna tackle all these projects. This 3-stall garage, may re-concrete the whole slab because it cuts off right behind the car. You can kind of tell I'm gonna do all 3 stalls. Paint the house and get some new boards on because I have some rotty wood close to the bottom. And there's just a list of things to do on this one, but I got a year to live in it, and when I live in it, I'll do projects. So this is the other project I'm doing. The truck project will probably be this weekend. I'm painting the frame, but today doing some landscaping. That's it for this video. Got the landscaping all done. It's all sprayed. I'll come back in with some fabric, probably some river rock and some nice bushes and whatever I decide to put in there. It's gonna be low maintenance. Backyard was done. That's gonna sum it up for today. Next thing I'm gonna do is get that dumpster over here, clean out the garage. Once I clean out the garage, then I can actually start doing some projects inside. And then on the nice days, I got a power wash and then do some other things in the exterior. But this will be in a couple other videos, and then the truck's coming up this weekend. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.